Hi, my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, then hi, my name is Ankita, and today I'll be sharing with you all my 5 favorite mascaras. And before starting it off, I'd like to say that if you people like this video, then please don't forget to hit that like button in the bottom bar, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you people haven't already, to keep on watching what is coming in the near future for you all. And with that being said, let me just tell you guys what was the bar that I decided while declaring that these are my 5 favorite mascaras. Now, I am a mascara junkie. I love collecting mascaras. I have mascaras from different brands. Like, if you people follow me regularly, you people might have known that I am I love spending in mascaras. I love the way it alters the way your eyes look. So I love spending in them, but while selecting mascaras for this video, I have made sure that the availability and convenience of use, the ease of use, should be there, to make sure that even if a newbie, the first time user, is using these mascaras, they can just go ahead and easily and conveniently apply it, and they can find it easily and conveniently as well. So without taking this intro any further, let me just show you my first favorite mascara. So to top the list, my first favorite mascara, like if you people are going to go ahead and invest in a mascara, then the first investment that you should make, according to me, is to be invested in this Maybelline's La Sensational Mascara. Now, first of all, while you go ahead with a mascara, the thing that you should consider is the wand of the mascara. Now, by this side, you can push your lashes up, and with the help of this side, you can go ahead and apply your curl up your lashes. And as well as it is very convenient to be used on your lower lashes as well. Coming up to the formulation, this comes in a waterproof and a non-waterproof variant. So whatever suits your mood swings, you can go ahead and purchase it as you people wish. This retails for 500 rupees, but it is always on discount on Nykaa.com. So if you people want to go ahead and you can purchase it, because why I am recommending this to be purchased by Nykaa.com is, first of all, it's on discount, and secondary, it is a mascara. This comes just in black shade, so you can't go ahead wrong with the shade that you have to face that inconvenience which is being always reported that Nykaa people provide when it comes up to returning a product. So you don't have that basic need of getting it returned, because there are no shade issues. So you can go ahead and purchase it from Nykaa.com. You can don't go ahead with Flipkart, because it has, I don't know why they have those ungodly expensive prices, but they do. And if you are searching for this in Lucknow, there's a store in Hazratganj which actually provides this mascara way too conveniently. It's in Janpat, so you can go ahead and purchase it from there as well, but it will be on its actual MRP, that is 500 rupees. Formulation is amazing. You can't bet on it. I can sincerely say that it is waterproof. It's completely transfer proof. Your lashes are gonna stay in place for a very long time. In fact, I always have a very huge day when it comes up to my office and stuff like that, but still, when I apply it, it's 9 a.m. and when I remove it, it's again 9 a.m. and it stays put for that long. So if you people are going to go ahead and invest in it, and it has to be your first mascara, then it should be this one. For the next one that I'd like to show you all is this one. This one is again by Maybelline, and this is their Colossal Volume Express Mascara. And nothing too fancy about the wand. I wouldn't say that it is something very convenient to use. It's like a normal wand, but it eases the application procedure somehow. I don't know why and how, but it does. Its application is very convenient. It comes in a waterproof as well as non-waterproof formula, so whatever suits your mood, you can go ahead and invest in. This retails for 375, but again, it's obviously and always available on discount, so you can just go ahead and invest in it without any hesitation if you're feeling like, because it can't replace my love for the Maybelline's La Sensational, but still, until and unless it was conveniently available in India, this was my first choice. So if not that, then this, undoubtedly. Then the next mascara that I'd like to share with you all is a new launch from Maybelline again. I'm sorry, this is not a sponsored video, neither am I completely going ahead with Maybelline only, but trust me you guys, Maybelline have immense range and variety of different mascaras, and they're like way too good at it. So the third one is this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Lashes Mascara. First of all, the bottle, look at it. It's really cute. Neither ways, not avoiding the thing that it is way too like tough to store it out, because it is narrow at the bottom somehow. I don't know what were they thinking, but as well as when I ordered it, I was like, maybe it might be opening from the back and it might be having something different coming out from this side, but it wasn't the fact. It just gets opened like this, and this is how the wand looks. But coming up to the fact, this oomph of the lashes like way too much. It's amazing. I love the way it, you know, transforms a look, and this is the most convenient one when it comes up to, you know, applying on the bottom lashes. When I feel like I have to go ahead and apply mascara on the bottom lashes, I feel this very convenient because of the wand, because it's even. As you can see, it's even, it's narrow, so it fits into the lashes, bottom lashes, way too conveniently. So you can go ahead and invest in it. It's very beautiful. This retails for 375, I guess. I think I have forgotten the price of this mascara, but you don't have to worry about it. I'll list it in the bottom bar, so you can just go ahead and check it out. Then the next mascara now the next two mascaras are a bit high-ended. The first one is this L'Oreal's Butterfly Waterproof Lashes Mascara. This was the mascara that I did invest in it for the sole reason that we are girls, we always have those teary moments, and since I've got married, I think I have those moments a lot. So I needed a waterproof mascara, and this came in its way. And the reason for purchasing it was its wand as well. Just look at it, admire it, and it's somehow, I personally feel that it actually resembles to the Lash Sensationals wand, and the formulation is amazing. I don't have any issues with this mascara, rather than only one single issue, and that is this retails for 725 rupees, which is a bit on a pricier side, but it's a L'Oreal's mascara, so they always price their products a bit, you know, on the higher side. So can't complain if you are a mascara lover and you want something like this in your life, because the bottle is like to die for, as well as the formulation is amazing. So if you want it, you can go ahead and have it. Like, our lashes deserve the best. So we are girls and we deserve to spend our money on, you know, the amazing makeup products. Then the last one that I'd like to show you all is this Chambers Chambers Infinite Lashes Mascara. First of all, look at the size. The packaging is extremely jumbo like. Look at the size. This is a bit uncomfortable if you're trying to store it into a container, because it doesn't fit. It's way too, sorry, I'm extremely sorry I did that again. So it's way too tall, so it's not capable of being fitted into a container. But this is even a plus point. How? Because you can, you know, keep your safe distance and apply it onto your lashes way too conveniently, as well as just have a look at this wand. It has that wavy up and down, so it fits into the eyelashes way too conveniently, but you couldn't repeat the mascara application with the help of this mascara, because it clumps the lashes a little bit. So that's why I think it's in the last when it comes up to the list. So with that being said, I have completed my list of 5 favorite mascaras. I hope you people have liked it, and if you did, then please go ahead and invest in any one of it, and we can go ahead and be product twinsies. They are equally amazing. I've made sure of that. And I'm extremely sorry, the Chamber one retail for 825 rupees, like the least satisfactory and the most priced Chamber. Anyhow, so and I think now I'm out of words when it is coming up to this video, so I think I should go ahead and just close the topic off, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you people have liked this video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you people haven't already, to make sure that you people know what is coming in the near future for you all. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.